This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing archival paper or canvas so prints last under gallery lights. Once done, mix a small amount of non-toxic pigment or archival ink. Test pressure and color on scrap to see ridge clarity. Make sure to clean and dry your fingertips between attempts, use gloves for handling, and arrange a dedicated drying rack nearby. This first step ensures your prints have consistent contrast and longevity, and it prevents accidental transfers. It saves time when you move to composed layouts next. You now build the composition with intentional placement rather than random smudges. Start by planning a grid or organic pattern, then practice the press technique. Roll the fingertip from one edge to the other to capture full ridge detail. Once you like a placement, mark guide points lightly and press carefully, keeping consistent pressure for uniform prints. Make sure to photograph each step for reproducibility, and if layering, let each layer dry completely before adding the next, so textures stay distinct and archival. You complete the piece by sealing and mounting for gallery display. First, apply a light archival fixative in even passes, don't saturate, and let dry fully. Then mount to foam core or stretch onto a frame, using acid-free materials and precise alignment so prints sit flat. If a smudge appears, don't panic. Gently test a solvent on a scrap and lift only when safe, or embrace the mark by adding a designed layer that incorporates the error. Make sure frames use UV glazing to protect long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.